Mike Hughes here. I'm at Indigo Industries, and I'm with Dana again, and this time we're going to get a little more tactical.
Exactly. So last year, 2017, at DEMA Show, Indigo launched our first tactical line. So since then, we've had a lot of testing for a lot of special force units, and we have some final product that is available now for public safety divers, commercial divers, and also military. So this is our tac fin. It's a short fin. It's wide. It is very nice and rigid, and allows divers to cut through the water, and it only weighs 2.1 pounds. So the great thing about this fin is we have multiple different types of attachments for military based upon
how big their boots are.
How big? Yes, it can fit any size boot, any type of boot. We've got, this one is called our Raven. We also have a Velcro system called our Fury, and then we also have our regular boot setup. In addition to that, they've got spring straps, and it's a fast fin, extremely fast in the water. So this allows them to get to the water safely, quickly, and easily, as far as getting into the fin and also getting out.
Cool.
So this is just one of the pieces that we're actually launched in our tactical line. We also have a BCD that is a complete tactical vest.
Okay.
In the front, has complete MOLLE system, and then it also has a complete bladder in the back. So we have a couple different setups.
So if I look around in the back, you'll see it. It's very flat-lined, trim.
Yes, and it also has our Matic system.
Okay.
It has the quick connect,
right,
which is fabulous for public safety. We also have a system for rebreather that allows to have a buoyancy collar around, and also allows you to attach a DPB to the back. So having a tactical vest with the MOLLE system gives us a lot of options.
It does. Maybe too many options.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of options within the military and public safety.
Oh, yeah.
So they've got a lot of different things. This allows them, especially for public safety divers, they can be all suited up, ready to go, but they don't have to have their tank on, and the tank can be put on the last minute.
The last
Sometimes
thing.
they're waiting by the side
hours
to
for
jump in. Yes. So it helps with fatigue. Also, we've launched a line of Drysuit also. So this is a tactical Drysuit. This is our outer limits Indigo Tactical Drysuit. So it's a ripstop suit. It's got Kevlar knees, Kevlar elbows, Kevlar rear.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, and it also has a variety of different features. So it is set up for tactical, so it's extremely lightweight. It's very quiet, and it even has a system so there's no more issues of having to make a bathroom decision at the last minute. You can always undo you're ready to go.
There you go.
So for the gentlemen, this is a huge, definitely something that has piqued their interest. So
I'm sure it has, and so delightfully so.
Yes.
Perfect. And so if they want more information about this system,
so it's at indigotactical.com.
Indigo Tactical.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.